Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. We're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can invert the colors in Snapseed. First of all, open up the Snapseed mobile application, click on the plus and choose an image. After choosing the image, at the bottom mid, you should find the tools. Click on tools and click on curve, the third option in the front row. After doing so, if you want to invert the colors, just take it to brightness, and that is how you can easily invert the colors. As you can see, after doing so, if you want to totally invert the colors, make it parallel to the previous line. Otherwise, you can what do is, this was the previous color, and after the inverted version, you can just go for this, or you can just set it to your own needs. And at the bottom right, you should find the tick option. Click on the tick option, and that is how you can easily invert colors in Snapseed. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.